Very good morning, students. I am Jyoti Mucha in front of you, and today I am going to explain you Unit Second, Understanding. And in this section, in this unit, there is a Section Two, and the name of the Section Two is Oliver Finds Happiness. So, what is the means of this lesson? Oliver is a boy who is an orphan. यहाँ ओलिवर एक लड़का है जो क्या है ऑर्फन है ऑर्फन मीन्स अनाथ है एंड ही लिव्स इन ऑर्फनेज ओलिवर फाइंड्स हैप्पीनेस मीन्स दैट मीन्स उसको एक ऐसी जगह मिलती है जहाँ उसको बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिलती हैं एक इंसिडेंट इसके साथ ऐसा होता है जहाँ उसको बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिलती है ओलिवर फाइंड्स हैप्पीनेस इन दिस वी विल रीड अबाउट हिज लाइफ आल्सो Oliver Twist, the pale, thin child who was used by the thieves to break into a house, finally finds some affectionate people. Read how they help Oliver. Here I am going to explain you these lines that Oliver, who is a boy and who is very thin and very pale. Pale means thaka hua. He is very tired and some thieves brought him there to a house and they robbed there. But some incident happened that Oliver got hurt and he became wounded. And by this wounded, he was left there, and the robbers, the thieves, left him there, and they go away. Here he find the happiness that in which house the Oliver went for robbing with the thieves, but they the people helped the Oliver, and he found the affectionate people there. Oh, please, Dr. Losborn, will you come upstairs and look at the poor creature? Rose begged. Rose, who is Rose here? Rose is a lady here who is telling to Dr. Losborn to come to see that poor child. Who is the poor child here? Poor child is Oliver. He is poor because he is very innocent. He is a very young child. Of course, said the doctor. Here Losborn said to Rose that he will be back there. Will you show me the way, Gills? Gills led the doctor to his patients. Here are two ladies. The name of the two ladies are one is Mrs. Rose and one second is Mrs. Miley, and they both lives there. One day Oliver brought with some thieves there for robbery, and he left away as I told you now. And in the next, doctor is called there because Oliver is wounded. So doctor is called by Rose there. Doctor asked to go. Doctor asked Rose that where is the patient. Then Rose said to the servant of their house. The servant name is Gills. She tells her to carry the doctor to the patient. The doctor was absent for a long time as they both ladies were waiting for the doctor because Oliver was wounded. So they were waiting for the doctor. A large plate box was faced out of his carriage. The bell in the bedroom was rung and rung again. That lines means that when the doctor came, then they were staying in the hall. Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Miley. They both were staying in the hall, and they both were waiting for the doctor. As the doctor came, the doctor was brought in, and he was asked to Rose. The servant went hurrying up and down the stairs. At last, doctor came to the dining room and speak to the ladies. This is an extraordinary thing. And Mrs. Miley, he said, he is not in danger, I hope, the old lady said. They both, Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Miley were very surprised to see that a boy has come in their house and he is very wounded. So they both were very sad for that boy. And when the doctor came to see that patient, that Oliver, and when he come back, so he told to Mrs. Rose that he is an extraordinary, that means uncommon boy. Mrs. Miley said that we should not worry because he would be well in 1 or 2 weeks. He is not in danger. No, he will be well again in a week or two, the doctor informed them. Then he asked them, have you seen this thief? I told you that Mrs. Smiley and Mrs. Rose was very surprised and was stressed in because they both were eager to know that what was the health of the how was the health was of that child. So she also told to doctor also that doctor he would be well in 1 or 2 weeks. But when doctor asked to them that have you seen the thief, then Mrs. Miley replied that they had never seen any thief. They saw only Oliver in their house. Then doctor said that have you seen that thief? Then Miley and Rose said that they never had seen that thief. They saw only Oliver there. And the doctor asked that your servant has seen. Then Giles also told that he has never seen that thief. Would you like to see him if I come with you? Yes, I would like to. And I would like Rose to come as well, if she will. The doctor took the ladies upstairs to Gil's room. He pointed towards the bed, and there lies the wicked thief, he said. Dear students, here it is said that when doctor came down to see the patient Oliver, then he told all the things to Rose and Miley. Then he also asked them both the ladies to see that thief, that Oliver, but they think that Oliver is innocent. The two ladies looked to their astonishment, and they saw a child there, fast asleep, a mere child. His face was white, and his wounded arm lay across his chest. His head rested on his other arm. Here it is said that when the two ladies went there, and they both were surprised to see that boy had a wound, and the boy was sleeping at that time. His face was white. The ladies crept softly on his bed. Miss Rose bent over him with a gentle hand. She brushed his hair from his forehead. Here it is said that when Rose and Miley, that means I want to say that जो दोनों ladies थी वो दोनों जब उस ओलिवर के बेड के पास पहुंची तब उन्होंने देखा कि जो ओलिवर है वो वहाँ पर लेटा हुआ था या सोया हुआ था. तब उन्होंने धीरे से उसके सर को सहलाया और उसके बालों में धीरे धीरे हाथों को फेरना शुरू किया. The boy moved and smiled in his sleep as if he felt her kindness. जैसे ही उस लड़के को उस ओलिवर को पता चला कि किसी ने उसके सर पे हाथ फेरा है, वो धीरे से टर्न हुआ और उसने उस मिसेस स्माइली की तरफ देखकर स्माइल किया. What can this mean? Miss Smiley asked. This poor child is no thief. He's so young, Rose said, with tears in his eyes. Now they both were very sad to look that the child Oliver was very young, and he was brought with thieves for to rob their house. So they both were very sad to think and to analyze the incident. Let's go into the next room. Dr. Losburn said to the ladies, we mustn't wake him up. When the three were there in front of the Oliver, they were talking about the thief. Then Dr. Losburn said that we should not talk anything in front of the Oliver because he had to take rest, and we should left him there, and we should talk to another side or in another room. There Mrs. Rose continued, think how young he is. Perhaps he has never known a mother's care. Here Mrs. Rose is very sad, and she thinks that she was very surprised that the little boy was left and he is an orphan, and he doesn't know that how the mother care. He never felt that how the mother love is. Perhaps he has never had a home. Poor boy, poor boy. Oh, auntie, don't let them send his boy to prison. Here, Mrs. Rose said to Mrs. Miley that auntie, we should not send that boy into prison. Prison means jail. सो यहाँ पर जो रोज़ है वो कहती है कि आंटी हमें उस लड़के को, उस छोटे बच्चे को जेल में नहीं पहुँचाना चाहिए या जेल में नहीं भेजना चाहिए या पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत छोटा लड़का है और इनोसेंट है. Don't let them send this boy prison, my dear, said the old lady. Do you think that I would harm one hair of his head? I haven't much longer to live. I must help all I can. What can I do to help this boy, Dr. Losborn? Now when the both were talking, Mrs. Miley and Mrs. Rose were talking about that boy, then Mrs. Miley said to Mrs. Rose that I don't want to harm anyhow. That means कि वो ये कहना चाहती है कि मैं उस बच्चे को इतना भी हार्म नहीं करना चाहती, मतलब एक बार बराबर भी हार्म नहीं करना चाहती, नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहती. एंड वो खुद चाहती है कि वो बच्चा बच जाए. दैट्स वाई शी वांटेड टू हेल्प हिम. And she also asked doctor that how can they help him in every way, in every manner they want to help the boy Oliver. Let me think, the kind-hearted doctor said. Now when they both were very puzzled, then they asked to the Dr. Lasborn. Then doctor replied that he should think over that incident. For some moments he looked thoughtful. Then he asked, can we trust the servants to say nothing about the boy? Yes, Mrs. Miley told him, they will do as I tell them. Good, said the doctor. Here when the doctor asked to Mrs. Miley that we have 2 servants and if the servants will tell everything to the police, then what will happen? Then Mrs. Miley make believe them that they will do as the Mrs. Miley will tell them. But first of all, let us hear what the boy has to say when he wakes up. If we find him innocent, we will help him. But if we find him guilty, then we have to send him to jail or inform to the police. Do you agree? Here, Mr. Lasborn, who is a doctor, he says that first we have to ask all the things from that boy. That means if the boy want to tell his story or some story he has made, whatever he want to say, first he have to listen that, then we can decide that he is guilty or not. If he is innocent, then we will leave him. But if he is guilty, he has done robbery or he has come here for the intention of to rob our house, then we have to call the police and we have to send him to prison. Then 2 ladies readily agreed, for they were sure that Oliver was innocent. But the 2 ladies were very sure because they thought that the poor little boy was very young and very little, so they thought that he is not guilty, he is very innocent. Oliver slept for many hours. In the evening, when he woke up, he was very weak, but he was anxious to tell his story. As Oliver was very tired and he was wounded, then he took rest for many hours and for long hours. Then when he woke up, then he thought that he has to tell all the things to Mrs. Miley and Mrs. Rose. He was very eager to say everything to Mrs. Miley. The ladies wept as they heard of his miserable life. As I told you, dear student, that Oliver was an orphan and his life was very difficult and he was living very miserable life. When the Mrs. Miley and Mrs. Rose listened his story, about his life, then they were very astonished. The kind-hearted doctor tried hard to hide his tears, and they did their best to comfort the boy. Oliver slept that night with a smile on his lips. He had found a home. When they all listened the story of Oliver, they all became very sad, and the tears came out in their eyes. Mr. Losborn, who is a doctor, he also felt very sad, and At the time, they all tried to comfort to boy Oliver, and then Oliver went for sleeping. As Oliver found a home, because here nobody was telling him that he is guilty or he is a thief. He was feeling very comfort in that house because Mrs. Smiley and Mrs. Rose tried to comfort him. When the police come to ask questions, Mr. Gills and Brittles were ready to with the story. Oliver had accidentally wounded himself while playing with a gun. He had nothing to do with the robbery. The housebreakers were two evil-looking men. The servant, with the help of Dr. Losbone, told the story well. The police believed them. Oliver was left in peace. So, dear students, when the police came to their house, police asked a question from the two servants, Mr. Gills and Mr. Britters. Then they both were prepared with their stories because Dr. Losbone has also told the stories to them that what they have to tell to police. When they told all the stories to police that Oliver is not guilty, Oliver was playing with a gun and he had hurt himself with that gun, and that the two servants also informed to police that the robbers, the thieves were evil looking men and they look very huge, and then police left the Oliver. Oliver found love and kindness. Indeed, Mrs. Smiley and Rose loved the boy. Here I have told you that Mrs. Smiley and Mrs. Rose both think that Oliver is innocent. That's why they love to boy Oliver. At the beginning, sorry. So did kind-hearted Dr. Losman. Dr. Losman also was very kind and he also felt love towards Oliver. At the beginning of spring, the Miley took Oliver to their house in the country. There, the their fruit trees were blossoms, and the garden and the fields were full of flowers. Oliver had never known such peace and such happiness. As we know that Oliver was very poor and orphanage boy, so he doesn't know about the happiness and about the love. And when he met with Mrs. Rose and Mrs. Miley, he felt very happy because he had never seen such happiness in his life. Mrs. Miley also took him to his cities to visit, and also carried him with her to a garden and to see the blossoms and to see the fruits of fruit trees. Every morning, Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him to read and to write. Here it is said that every morning मिसेस रोज़ एंड मिसेस माइली, हर सुबह मिसेस रोज़ एंड मिसेस माइली ओलिवर को एक जेंटलमैन के पास पहुंचाते थे पढ़ने और लिखने के लिए. ही वेंट फॉर वॉक्स विथ रोज़ एंड मिसेस माइली, और रोज़ाना वो मिसेस माइली और मिसेस रोज़ के साथ वॉक पर भी जाता था. इन द इवनिंग दे सैट टुगेदर एंड टॉक, और रोज़ रीड अलाउड टू दैम. Every evening they all sit together, they eat together, and they spend time together. Often Rose play the piano and sing every day. That means Rose always play the pianos and sing songs. Old Mrs. Mailey loved to listen to this because old Mrs. Mailey was very generous, and she loves music. That's why she listened to music. So did Oliver. Every night he slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. And now Rosemary and Miley, they kept that boy with themselves, and Oliver started to living with them and started to spend the time with them. And they have given him a personal room. Oliver spent his day and slept in the night. So dear student, this story was about of a boy who was orphan, and ये जो लड़का था जिसका नाम था ओलिवर, वो एक चोर नहीं था, बल्कि उसको कुछ लोगों ने प्रेशराइज किया था चोरी करने के लिए, और इसीलिए वो मिसेस रोज़ और मिसेस माइली के घर पर आया था. और उसने वहाँ पर चोरी जो उसके साथ जो लोग थे वो उसको वाउंडेड होता हुआ देखकर वहाँ से चले गए और ओलिवर को वहीं पर छोड़कर चले गए। लेकिन मिसेस स्माइली और मिसेस रोज वो बहुत ही काइंड हार्टेड थी, इसीलिए उन्होंने ओलिवर को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया और उसके बाद उसको प्रिजन भी नहीं पहुंचाया, उसकी देखभाल भी की, उसकी इतनी केयर की कि उससे कभी बुरा ना लगे। इवन उसको मदर्स केयर भी उन्होंने दी क्योंकि वो एक ऑर्फनेज था। और ये जो स्टोरी है ये चार्ल्स डिकन्स की जो नॉवेल है उसमें से ली गई है। स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है, आप सभी को ये स्टोरी पढ़नी चाहिए। And the question answer and exercises I will send you in the PDF. So dear student, the next video I will send you in next day. Thank you.